If you'd like to see how to create your own neat, professional, customized Bandit yard signs, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I am going to be making some Bandit signs, also known as yard signs. These are from Amazon, and I think they are like 12 by 18 inches, and they come with the little stakes in the back, and they're made out of curated cardboard. So first, I'm going to go into Silhouette Studio Designer Edition, which is a program that I purchased. Well, it came with my Silhouette Cameo cutter. You probably have something similar if you have a Cricut. Now, I just typed in what I wanted to say. It says rooms for rent, text, or call. Now, once you have it say what you want with the font, you go ahead and you hit send. A friend of mine asked me to make these for her. And I told her, sure, I'll go ahead and give it a try. I've never made them before. She didn't want to just use a marker and just write them out. She wanted them to have a more clean, professional look. So I just thought I'd just go ahead and cut everything out and do it that way. So now that I have everything cut out, I'm just carefully weeding it out. This is permanent sign vinyl. You can purchase this on Amazon. So you have to be careful because, as you can see, I'm going to accidentally pull off my letter R for the word or. And I put 555 just as a default number. I didn't mean to cut that out, but I did want to keep the number anonymous. And you see I'm pointing to where the R is missing. So I'm going to fix that later on in the video. Okay, so you're going to take some transfer tape. And you can get this on Amazon as well. And you just want to make sure you have enough to cover up the backing sheet. And I'm cutting that out. And then you want to have, I'm cutting off that default number. And you want to have some type of smoother or an old gift card or something to make sure that you smooth it on good. So I'm just going to use this little Chuck E. Cheese card, smooth that right on. Now I'm just getting the Bandit signs opened and ready to go. And just to show you what a Bandit sign is, like a for sale sign, for rent sign, you can put a sign that says yard sale. They could say anything you want them to. People usually use these to promote their business, or they have them say we buy ugly houses or something like that. So I'm just going to center it the best way I can. Smooth that right on. Now this almost was a fail, but it still worked out, and let me tell you why. As I began to smooth this on and peel it off, look, it's not peeling off. And I thought about it like, okay, what's going on here? But this is like a very dry cardboard type of material, and I tried and tugged and tried and got a little frustrated. I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna let this stress me out. I'm going to smooth this right back on down and leave it as is. So I cut off this extra top part of the transfer tape. And I just said, I'm going to just smooth it on and leave it. This transfer tape is really strong. And look at that. That's just fine. People are going to be walking by or driving by in their cars, and they'll see it and it'll be just fine. They won't be able to tell that there's transfer tape on top of it. There's my letter R that I'm fixing. I just had to cut that out, put that on, and I am like set to go. And I think this is a very nice alternative other than just drawing it in yourself. Of course, you can have them made. You may have to have a minimum, and they may cost a little bit more. So I think this is a nice cost-effective way. I did make a few more, tried out some different colors. But for my research, brighter colors or darker colors is best to use. So I think the black and the red ones will be the more colors that I'll use next time. And look, let me just show you how I got this on. The stake on the back, I used some very good thick duct tape. You know, duct tape works very well for many different occasions. So it's real nice and sturdy. I'm just taking a few pieces and I'm just reinforcing it. It's nice and strong. But however, I end up looking at the instructions again, and this actually is not the way you're supposed to do this. I'll show you the correct way in the next couple clips of this video. But I'm still going to leave it because it's sturdy and it feels really good. See how I have that duct tape on the back, nice and strong. It's all good. I have the phone number covered as well, like I told you, for privacy reasons. Look at this. Now look, you're supposed to take these stakes and just push them inside of the little holes inside of the cardboard. Look at that. You don't even need to use any duct tape. But now I know. It's cool. That's why sometimes you do have to take your time and read the instructions. But these came out really nice. I made these in no time. It didn't take long at all. You just have to cut them out with your cutter, make them say what you want them to say. If you have wonderful handwriting and you have the time, you can definitely get you some big Sharpie markers and you can go to town, write in what you want to say. But I think this option is very nice. You can play around with the size of the font. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks again for watching. Give it a thumbs up or share it with someone on Facebook. Bye-bye. Okay, before I let you guys go, I want to say something really quickly. These can be illegal in certain states. Check your city ordinances or check your state laws. You are not supposed to put these on like stop signs or utility poles, so refrain from doing that. So the places that people mainly put these are at busy intersections, or you put them in areas where there's motels or truck stops or different things of that nature. And the reason why rooms are for rent these days, as you can imagine, the economy is kind of crazy right now, and there's a lot of more shared living spaces popping up, and it's easier for people to afford those. So that was just my little tidbit on that. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. Remember that you can follow me on Instagram at Life as a Whole Vibe with underscores in between each word, and it's the same name on TikTok as well. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye.